BMW engine oil at minimum level issues. BMW cars are equipped with an electronic engine oil level monitoring sensor that irradiates, and this light does not necessarily mean your oil needs to be changed. That is a common misreading amongst BMW owners. When this light comes on, your engine oil is at least 1 quart/liter low. There are 3 possible factors that may cause the light to irradiate, but before we dive in, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. Oil leaks. Oil consumption that causes oil loss. Defective oil level sensors standard on older models. Some BMW owners have noticed a warning light come on for the engine level when their BMW engine oil is at the minimum level. When this is noticed, they begin to wonder if they should take their car to a dealer for a top, or if they can simply buy 1 quart of BMW engine oil and top it up themselves. A BMW driver who notices the low oil warning light should use Mobil 1 Extended 5W30 full synthetic oil for topping off. If the low oil light comes on and your BMW doesn't have a measuring stick, then add 1 quart/liter of oil and recheck the oil level indicator through the instrument cluster/iDrive. However, if your BMW has a measuring stick or a dipstick, you can visually confirm the proper fill level and add oil. Symptoms of a bad low oil level sensor for BMW. Low oil levels will trigger a warning light indicator on the dashboard, which will light up the check engine light. However, there are other warning signs to indicate a problem with the oil level sensor. 1. Oil light comes on frequently. This is one potential indicator that there's a problem with your oil level sensor. You will notice that the light comes on intermittently. The oil level sensor should normally come on as soon as you start your motor, and as the data is collected while the motor is turned off. 2. Check if engine light comes on. If the oil level sensor is functioning properly, the oil light will be triggered to come on your vehicle when the oil level is low. It's also common for it to activate the check engine light if the sensor is damaged or defective. 3. Inaccurate oil reading. The oil level sensor warns the driver that the engine is low on oil inside the crankcase. However, when the sensor is faulty, it may incorrectly activate this information. 4. Car does not start. The oil level sensor is intended to be an alert-only device. However, faulty data from the sensor may trigger the incorrect error code and trigger the ECU of the engine not to allow the engine to start. How to test BMW oil level sensor. You can test the oil level sensor of a BMW car using an Innova 3310 digital multimeter, which you can this on Amazon. The sensor has 3 prongs, and someone who doesn't have knowledge of how to take the readings may not be able to test it. If the dipstick indicates full, and you're getting a low oil reading, replace the sensor. It may require you to drain the oil, and replace the O-ring. Continuity doesn't measure resistance, it is used to check if a circuit is continuous, and not broken. For instance, it is used to check an electrical fuse to confirm if it is really blown. Always check the oil level with the dipstick and don't assume the sensor is faulty and forget to check the dipstick. Also, the oil level sensor usually has an open circuit, meaning when the oil level is good, the resistance across the pins is infinite. So linking the connector does not always work, because this creates a low oil condition. Disconnect the sensor instead. What oil does my BMW car need? Pennzoil synthetic motor oil. This oil, which is produced from natural gas, keeps pistons about 65% cleaner than what is obtainable by the industry standard. Pennzoil oil also produces better protection from friction. BMW Twin Power 5W30 synthetic. BMW Twin Power oil, unlike other synthetic oils, can withstand heat and cold. This oil helps preserve your engine in the best possible condition and can bear great engine loads, and boosts protection and performance for both turbocharged and non-turbocharged engines. Where's the location of the BMW oil sensor? BMW models use an oil condition sensor located in the oil pan. This sensor is responsible for supplying oil level and oil condition information to the vehicle computer system. BMW E90 models mostly use this sensor in place of a dipstick to check the oil levels. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.